The inventor of the microwave appliance only received a $2 bonus for his groundbreaking discovery, not royalties. Percy Spencer, an engineer working with radar technology at Raytheon, stumbled upon the idea when a chocolate bar in his pocket melted from radar waves. Fascinated, he experimented further and realized he could use these waves to cook food quickly. Despite revolutionizing how we prepare meals and creating a multi-billion-dollar industry, Spencer only got a token $2 bonus from his company. Talk about getting shortchanged for a life-changing invention. This curious twist in history shows how sometimes monumental achievements don't always come with the rewards you'd expect.